Welcome to Grammar for Kids. Today we are going to explore synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are like word buddies. They have similar meanings, happy and joyful, are synonyms because they mean the same thing. Antonyms are like word opposites. They have opposite meanings, happy and sad, are antonyms because they mean completely different things. Learning synonyms and antonyms helps us express ourselves better and adds variety to our language. Offered here are some exemplifications of synonyms and antonyms. First word is happy. Let's see some synonyms of happy. Joyful, content, pleased, delighted, cheerful. The second word of today's video is smart. Let's see some synonyms of smart. Intelligent, clever, bright, sharp, astute. The third word of today's video is large. Let's see some synonyms of large. Big, huge, massive, enormous, gigantic. The fourth word of today's video is fast. Let's see some synonyms of fast. Quick, rapid, speedy, swift, brisk. The fifth word of today's video is beautiful. Let's see some synonyms of beautiful. Attractive, lovely, gorgeous, stunning, exquisite. Now it's time to have a look at antonyms. The first word is happy. Let's see some antonyms of happy. Sad, unhappy, miserable, upset, sorrowful. The second word is smart. Let's see some antonyms of smart. Stupid, dull, slow-witted, ignorant, dim-witted. The third word is large. Let's see some antonyms of large. Small, tiny, little, miniature, petite. The fourth word is fast. Let's see some antonyms of fast. Slow, leisurely, gradual, sluggish, languid. The fifth and the last word is beautiful. Let's have a look at antonyms of beautiful. Ugly, plain, unattractive, homely, repulsive. And there you go. You have explored synonyms and antonyms. Keep watching for more fascinating grammar lessons.